Hey friends, if you wish to open command prompt in a folder in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So while there are countless ways to open command prompt, if you are in a folder, the easiest method is to simply type CMD in the address bar and hit enter, and see this opens command prompt. Now there's another method. If you right click, usually you will not find this option, or maybe in show more options, but if you press the shift key and right button, in many cases you'll get the option to open the PowerShell window, which is like the command prompt but a little different. And in some cases, in some computers, you can also get the option to open command prompt from the shift right click context menu, but the easiest method is again CMD in the address bar and hit enter. Very simple. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.